Hello and welcome back to the Alienware YouTube channel. I'm Ernie Gonzalez and I'm an online product specialist for Alienware. And today I want to introduce you to the brand new Alienware Aurora Ryzen Edition, or the Aurora R10. This system features AMD's brand new processor, the Ryzen 9 3950X, as well as a Radeon 5700 XT with 32 gigabytes of HyperX memory. We're going to run her through some performance benchmarking and we're going to see how she handles. Stay tuned.
This is the MSI Trident 3 series, our most smallest gaming PC we ever built. This console-sized PC will get you the full PC gaming experience on your couch. So let's check it out. The Trident 3 series comes in two colors, black or white. And as you can see, it's a super small gaming PC or console size, which you can easily take with you in a backpack. Included with Trident 3 is a holder, so you can choose how to place your Trident 3, horizontal or even vertical. And we finished the design with a Mystic Light RGB LED element, which you can fully customize. To give you the best performance, the MSI Trident series comes with up to an Intel i7 core processor and is equipped with the latest MSI graphics card. So this really packs a punch and will make sure that you can play the latest games in 60 FPS. In this latest edition of the Trident 3 series we improved the cooling. The processor cooler is equipped with 2 extra heat pipes and the total system is cooled in a smart way by our Silent Storm cooling concept. We separated the Trident in 2 compartments to give those components optimal airflow and cooling. To give you the fastest loading times in games, the Trident 3 series is equipped with an M.2 SSD. Besides that, you can store your other files, your data or your videos on a terabyte hard disk, which is also featured inside the Trident 3. The Trident 3 is a real console killer. Discover more about Trident 3 on our product webpage.
Hello and welcome to GeForce and our coverage of CES. We're here with HP. We're checking out their Omen line of gaming-oriented stuff, and we got to start by talking to Tiffany. You're going to walk me through all this, and the cool thing over here that's new and updated looks like the Omen Obelisk, but what's different about this system now?
Yeah, so we came out with our Obelisk about 6 months ago, and we're doing a refresh now, and we've essentially upgraded everything you can think of on a PC. So obviously we've got the latest NVIDIA graphics cards incorporated. We got the 2080 and the 2080 Ti, but we also are able to upgrade to the new 2060 that was just announced as well. We've changed the cooling, so we previously had the fan cooling and now we have water cooling on the PC available. We've upgraded the power supply, so we have got 750 watts there, and the memory as well. There are 4 total slots available in the RAM space now. It has also a glass display on the side, so you can pop that open and upgrade it. Everything on the PC is industry standard, so we wanted to make sure it was super customizable for the user.
It sounds like nothing was left untouched when you guys were updating the Obelisk. So over here we have the Omen 15, so you guys have refreshed your laptop as well.
Yeah, and as a panel person, I'm pretty excited about the new panel we have in there. The Omen 15 is our first one coming out here with a 240 hertz refresh rate on the panel. Another cool feature is that the bottom has screws so that you can take it apart, because we know people like to be able to customize and upgrade their stuff. And also, if you want to clean out the fans, you can do that as well in this particular laptop.
So this one's going to be featuring an RTX 2070. Are there going to be more options for gamers down the line?
Yeah, so like I mentioned, this is our very first laptop, but we're coming out hopefully with new options. We're always, wanting to do the latest and greatest, so that's definitely in the pipeline.
Speaking of latest and greatest, we have to address the elephant in the room, and I mean this monstrous display behind us. It's huge!
Yeah, so that would be our new 65-inch, our Omen X Imperium 65. It's got a big name for a big monitor. We have a 4K resolution as well as HDR 1000. It's got NVIDIA G-Sync incorporated into it, and of course we got to put a display port on the back for that. So you can game at 144 hertz refresh rate, and it can overclock up to 4 milliseconds.
On top of that, you guys have some killer sound coming from this thing.
Yeah, so we won an innovation award at CES this year for our soundbar, and it's probably the only soundbar in the world that has a gaming mode on it. We had audio engineers come in and specifically tune it so that things like the gun blasts in the game were brought up and heightened. I think the audiophiles will really appreciate it.
I also really love this lighting effect you have behind here.
So if you've ever been frustrated with trying to plug in stuff on the back of your TV and you're trying to hold your iPhone, we have a motion sensor. So once you get back there, you can kind of move your hand. It will sense that you're there and it all lights up, so you're not guessing which one's the HDMI and which is the display port.
It's a 65-inch gaming display, and that's one of the things that I'm most excited about. Once you see it, it's so obvious. You guys have an awesome lineup of stuff here. Thank you so much for walking me through it.
Thank you.